So here's the new Dashcam from Dansker, a 4K dual channel setup called as the Dansker S703, and currently this is available at a discounted price of about $84. That's close to about 7,500 Indian rupees. So what this dash camera basically gives you is a dual channel setup, front 4K resolution and a rear full HD resolution. And on top of it, Dansker has now this time provided you a large 3-inch IPS display, which is quite good to look at and kind of more useful when you're streaming the rear camera view on the screen, because basically you can get to see what's happening right behind your car on the large display. This camera also gets a GPS logger, an external GPS logger, which means you'll be able to record the GPS coordinates of your journey. This camera also gets ADAS features, more specifically the lane departure warning and the forward collision warning. So most of the people purchasing dash cams these days look forward to having some level of ADAS features, and the Dansker S703 providing these features is definitely a good thing. This camera also gets built-in Wi-Fi for a seamless app connection, and this camera also gets built-in G sensor to record those emergency videos. So I've been testing out the Dansker S703 from the past few days. And the things which I liked about this dash camera, first of all, is the price point. 7,500 or $84 is a really cool point. And on top of it, you get a large display, and on top of it, you get a rear camera which is like basically designed to be mounted outside the car near the rear bumper. But of course, if you do prefer to mount it inside on the rear windshield, you can do that as well. The video quality from the front camera is quite good. Currently, it shoots at Quad HD 1440p resolution at max. But Dansker has assured that this is going to get an OTA update which will upgrade the resolution to a 4K one. The rear camera on the other hand shoots a full HD resolution, which is quite okay for the price. One more good thing about the camera is that the front camera is detachable from the windshield mount, which means basically you can just remove the camera anytime you want and you can just place it back whenever you require the camera to record your journeys. So based on my initial testing, based on my initial impressions, the Dansker S703 has performed really well. And if you're someone who is looking forward to have a dual channel 4K camera with ADAS and GPS under the price bracket of $85 or 8,000 Indian rupees, you should definitely consider the S703. I'll give you a link right down below in the description for you to go ahead and grab it straight away. The full review of the Dansker S703 will be dropping soon on my channel, wherein I'll be covering the detailed unboxing, the on-screen settings, and in detail cover the video quality and the number plate readability of this camera. So if you are interested in this camera and you want to watch the full review video, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button of my channel right now. And also don't forget to share this video with all your friends who might be looking for a similar camera in that similar price range. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.